UMDC kemairang Nongkhlau uba Batskhem rendetiang habakran Nongïalam priang buram yu uhi syak National People's Party hakandok pai singi jong kakhat khandai terik urempang arja arpusa ulaong bakapor kadon kami ki Nongïalam sanhima hapreng ki riulum naki jaka kathai North East banlong ki biya Tylli haka NPP khnang baki bor bahlor ka Sorkar India kin Sngap ya kasur ki riulum Uniu MDC ubala no dangshan ya ka Congress ulaong baswa ke election MDC arhajar khat khandai ulalap ya ka jingtho hakawai ka magazine ka bala tho dawlet PA sangma unong seng ka NPP ubala tho shapang ka jingdon kam ban ya Tylli hapreng ki riulum ulaong balada kam dan ya Tylli anam toy ban khmi lanti ba ka Sorkar India kan Sngap.
Shortly I want to tell you when I was in my college, when I was doing my research at that time, I come across through one magazine, and that magazine is written by Shrilet Parnu Sangma. He talks so much about the tribal unity. In a larger aspect, we the common people, we don't understand that we, the tribal, in politics, we keep on dividing. And the people, when we leave one party and join another party, many things they will see. But as a leader, we understand what is inside of our heart. We are here. We don't demand anything. We sacrifice everything just to build up for the betterment and the future of our people. And there is one thing that you see nowadays in our Northeast politics. The mainland India will not hear us if we keep on dividing. So I found that this party will lead us to a way that we can unite together. This party contested an election in Manipur, contested an election in Mizoram. We are proud because this party, the founder of this party, belongs to the Meghalaya, and he is the Meghalayan who made our Northeast proud, and he left the legacy behind. And at the same time, as a tribal politician, we should stop speaking one another. We should unite one force so that our voice will be heard by the mainland India. As one scholar says, if we keep those people who keep on talking about people, say something about others, their minds are cheap. But those people who keep on telling about the events, their minds are average. But those people who keep on discussing about the ideas how to build up the society, their minds are great.